Good day, ma'am. So let's just dive in how to start a blog. With absolutely no experience in 2025, but a little research I did to show you onto one of the most fun part of this whole blogging experience, which has been choosing my theme and all. By the way, today I'm using Canva app for my support of making my blog and customizing it and then creating my first few posts. But before I show you my blog that I create, let me explain to you first what is blog analysis. Contemporary blogging conventions, regular frequent updating, whether writing, photos, or other content, the expectation of linking to other bloggers and online sources, a month-by-month archive, the capacity of feedback through comments to the blog, a particular style of writing which often characterized as spontaneous and revelatory. My blog's theme is kind of like adventure, with, as you can see here, where this my first picture to my first experience in adventure. This was happened last December 2023. Is a blog about adventure. A blog about adventures, the digital journey or website where the writer shares their experiences, tips, and stories related to exciting journeys, outdoors activities, and explorations. These blogs often aim to inspire readers to step out of their comfort zones. And of course, what does it usually include? Travel stories, destination guides, adventure tips, photos and videos, and inspiration and motivation. Why do people read adventure blogs? First, to plan their own adventures. Second, to live vicariously through others' experiences. Third, to get motivated to explore. Fourth, to learn practically travel skills, and also, of course, to discover places of the beaten path. So, what is the purpose of adventure blog? First, to inspire people to embrace uncertainty and live boldly. Second, educate readers about the realities and joys of travel adventure. Third, document person growth and transformative experiences. Fourth, promote sustainable, responsible travels. The last one is connect with a like-minded community of explorers and thrill seekers. So that's all my experience in creating my own blog. Thank you for watching and viewing. I hope you inspire and have a nice journey.